Hi everyone, how are you all my beautiful friends? Welcome to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are enjoying a fantastic day with your friends and family. Today is Saturday and today I'm going to share my weekend vlog with all of you. But this weekend we are not going to be here in Denmark. We are going to a different city, a different place, an exciting tourist place and also an exciting country. So guys, please keep on guessing that where we are going. There are so many countries around Denmark like Norway, Sweden, Germany and then Netherlands. So please keep on guessing that where we are going. So it's gonna be just one day weekend trip. We just have planned a lot of things to do in this weekend. So please keep on watching, keep on guessing. I already packed my breakfast and everything. So I will share you that how I have packed my breakfast and other food items, what is needed whenever you are going for a train journey. So please keep on watching. So these are the food items that I am taking for my trip. And I have purchased every food item just day before the trip. So first of all, coated peanut, which is our absolute favorite nowadays. It's little spicy but perfect for munching whenever you are traveling. And then 1 packet of Oreo biscuit. I always prefer to have at least 1 packet of biscuit with me whenever I'm traveling. Then 2 bottles of vitamin water. And then 3 laddus. And these are some small bread snacks. And this is absolutely delicious and with some cheese inside. So it's nutritious at the same time. And these are Belgian waffles. So these waffles will be our breakfast actually tomorrow. So and there is some coconut cookies. The organization part, which is absolutely important whenever you are traveling. So I have organized all my snacks items in this way. In the first container, I have taken 2 pieces of waffle and some raisins. So that will be the first container that I will take out in the train tomorrow. And in the second one, I have taken few rusk biscuits as well, laddus and some coconut cookies. And in these small containers, I have packed my peanuts and other snacks. So yeah, so yes, we are all set. I'm just in front of my apartment and Aarhus Central Station will take just 5 to 7 minutes. So yes, I have taken just these 2 bags and it will take 5 to 7 minutes to reach the station. So we'll walk now and we'll see you guys in Central Station, and that is my outfit of the day. So okay, tada! I'm in love with my trolley. It's just super comfortable, very trendy. It's from VIP Skyback and trust me guys, it has lots of coverage. So for 1 or 2 day trips, if you are packing your things in it, it will be really comfortable. Now it's time to check the timetable and looks like our train is on time, but I'm not telling you the destination yet. Keep on guessing guys. So the thing is, this Aarhus Central Station is attached with a shopping mall that is called Bruns Gallery. I have told you many times about this Bruns Gallery. We do lots of shopping here. So it's very convenient whenever you are about to, catch a train. You can have some time here. You can relax there. Lots of restaurants are out there. 7-Eleven, McDonald's, then Baresso Cafeteria. So many more options are there. Now also we'll grab 2 cups of coffee and then we'll go down. Already we have our packed breakfast. We just need 2 cups of coffee. And this is the way So just our train has arrived. It's always on time, Euro train. So the time is 9:25, you can see in the watch. And now we are looking for our gate number. So looks like this is our gate and now we are all set to enter into our coach. So now we are all placed and settled in the train and look at Vikram. He is just checking out his phone and he's just about to read this beautiful Bengali travel book which is called Chakai Dunia. This book is actually written by our famous Bengali globetrotter. So now it's time to leave behind Aarhus city and the weather is little cloudy now, but after 1 or 2 hours it's showing that there will be a very bright and sunny weather. So our train looks like this. Not many passengers are there, but definitely it's a 4 hours long journey, 4.5 hours. So people will come and go. And here Bikram is enjoying his favorite book and we are having a great time. So now after 10-15 minutes, it's time to have our breakfast done. So we already grabbed 2 cups of coffee from 7-Eleven, and with Belgian waffles and some raisins, we are having our delicious breakfast. So we have actually lots of food, so we'll have it one by one. And now this journey will take 4.5 hours to reach our destination. So yes, now we are enjoying the breakfast. And tell me guys, if any one of you also is a huge coffee addict like me, especially whenever you are traveling somewhere. If I'm about to catch a morning train or I'm about to catch a morning flight, I just need a cup of coffee, strong coffee, to start my day. So yes, now we are enjoying this beautiful view, we are talking and we are having our breakfast. So now after sitting for 1 good hour, now it's time to have a stroll around the train to stretch a little bit. So here I am stretching, walking and looking this view. So now it's our snacking time and we are enjoying these peanuts, and these are actually chili coated, little spicy but at the same time really very tasty and delicious. So we are almost there. We are just about to reach our destination and I'm super duper excited to explore this beautiful city. So yes, my friends, we are here. We have just reached our destination and it's Hamburg, Germany. I didn't tell you before, I just gave you 2 options. So both the countries, Sweden and Germany, they are very close to Denmark, just takes 4.5 to 5 hours to reach. So here we are in Hamburg, Germany to spend our weekend, and it's a beautiful city in the north of Germany and in the banks of River Elbe, and this city is just 18 kilometers away from North Sea. So here we are. So now it's 2:30 and we are really very hungry. We thought of, okay, before checking into the hotel, we just need to have our lunch done. And this area, there is lots of restaurants out there, Chinese, Mexican, Japanese, American. So you can grab whatever you want. I have taken a platter, Thai platter with rice, some sauteed vegetables and some chicken curry, which is absolutely delicious and very healthy. And then Bikram is taking some Subway sandwich, and then we both will share as we always do. So now we'll enjoy our food. And now we are all set to go to our hotel Adina. We are in the cab now, and I will always remember this beautiful lady who is driving this cab. She was so generous, so humble, and she was telling so many important aspects about this city of Hamburg, so many historical things. So we had a fantastic ride. So now we are in front of our Hotel Adina, which is very close to Miniature Wonderland, which is the biggest tourist attraction in Hamburg. So we are just about to check in, we'll rest and then we'll start exploring the city. Hello.
Hi.
So yes, we are in. Look at the window view. I'm so liking this room. So my friends, I just want to do a quick room tour part. Look what a beautiful room we got here. It's big, it's large, and it has big windows. So I'm liking it. And in the bathroom also, they have provided lots of toiletries and other essentials. It's big, comfortable. And look at the closet. It's also very big. I already have put my clothes over there. a locker as well, and I have set up my trolley over there, and large king size bed, and then there is a resting couch with a pretty cushion. And now Bikram is showing us the kitchenette. It's always good to have a kitchenette in your hotel room. I just like it. If I'm going to stay here for 2-3 days, definitely I just want to cook something, but this time we are just staying here for 1 day. So it's good whenever you just want to put something in the refrigerator, you just want to, warm up your food in the microwave. So it's pretty much useful. So that's the city view, and now we are just going to have a rest for 45 minutes, and then we'll go to miniature wonderland. Yes, we are just relaxing here in the hotel room, this Adina hotel room, and I just made 2 cups of coffee, strong coffee. So we are having coffee, and after 10-15 minutes we'll go outside and we'll start exploring the city. And definitely I'll make another vlog from today afternoon up to tomorrow. What time? Tomorrow 2 o'clock. Yeah, tomorrow 2 o'clock our train will depart from Hamburg station. So please stay tuned, and those who are my new visitor, please subscribe to my channel for more and more travel vlogs, cooking videos, as well as lifestyle vlogs.